Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss about US dollar index. And friends, if you could see the lower time frame, that means if you see the 1 hour time frame, there is a clear breakout on the dollar index chart on a short term time frames, where this index is going to give you at least 400 pips on the higher side, and the index is trading almost near to the breakout. And once you will get a sustained closing above breakout, then this dollar index is about to give you upside move of 400 pips from the current price. And before to that, I will give you the complete analysis. If you see, friends, over here there was a downward sloping parallel channel, and this was the correction structure. And as far as the index was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the index was on a correction mode, and there wasn't certain lower lows continuously got heated on the index. If you see over here, the first lower lows, second lower lows, and third lower lows, and as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upside, first time you would have noticed the lower lows has the lower lows has been shifted to higher highs. And this is a confirmation where we take that as in fact that index has completed the correction, unless and until it is not get closed below the previous lower lows, or it's not got shoot up by the new lower lows. So as far as the stock is forming an higher highs, we will take that as an proof, we will take that as an confirmation that stock is ready for an upside move. Here we got two positive signals. The first positive signal was the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the higher side, due to which the corrections on the downside has been stopped. And secondly, the lower lows has been shifted to higher highs. The second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs, and that is a confirmation we take that has an index has completed the correction. And friends, the fourth confirmations, if you would see over here, if I'll put the MACD, you will see the clear positive diversion. Friends, if you see the price actions, it's on a downward sloping. And same if you see the oscillations of the MACD, it's moving on the upside. So this is a diversion, and here we got the breakout. So this is about this diversion breakout will going to give the upside momentum pump on the index. And friends, finally, this we had so far we had discussed three positive signals, and here now we're going to discuss about the final positive chart structure. Friends, if you would see over here, there is a triangular chart pattern index is forming. And friends, there are two necklines over here. You have to make sure, friends, you have to make sure you get a daily closing above this high. You have to wait to take the position, you have to wait to get the closing above the second neckline, which is 102.689. As soon as you will get the closing above this neckline, this triangular chart pattern will get trigger out, and the short covering will get involved, and this index will ready for an upside blast. And on the higher side, the target of this triangular chart pattern, if you see the length of this triangular chart patterns from year till year, this is almost around 400 pips. So from here it will give the another 400 pips movement, but for that we need a first closing, an hourly closing above 102.689, and after that the first target will be 103.100. this will be the ultimate targets. So this is very good bad for the short term traders, and you will earn a handsome money. And once you get the broken out, then you can keep this part as an stop loss. If you treat this level as a stop loss, which I will put it in red, consider this as a stop loss. And if you calculate your risk to reward ratio, your risk will be this much and your reward will be this much. It's all, if you see your risk to reward ratio, it's almost 1:2, 1:1.5, which is a very best, position to take trade. So friends, this was my analysis. If you like my analysis of a short-term trades, then please give thumbs up to my video, and I will continue to give you lots of breakouts where you can earn handsome money on your trade. Thanks friends.